Hello. Today again we are going to talk about some programs and it is related to SE, that is for grade 10, who is going to appear for the SE exam this year. Let's see some programs related to QBasic, simple programs we are going to take here. Function, we are going to take function here. Into the sentence. Next is here. We need to count the total number of words. So total words equals to word count dollar line dollar. Okay, fine. As dollar. Let's take a variable here, count. After that, let's go for the loop. If me dollar as dollar, then I 1 equals to, then count equals to count plus 1, end if next I since it is using a function, yes or no. So what we need to do there, we have to return a value, and that return we have to supply to the function procedure, yes or no. So let's go for it. Word count equals to count. So that was, let's save it. Let's run it. So enter a sentence. Hello, how are you? Yes. So we have finished the enter. Hello, how are you? Let's press enter. Total was 4. Is of 4. First is hello, then how, then are, then you. There are 4 words. So the output is right. Yes. Now how it works, let's go for the dry run with the help of table. Okay, just copying this one. So here is the program. Let's go for the table. How many variables are there? Look here. So 1 is the actual argument, 1 is there. So this actual argument value, it is passing to as dollar, yes or no. So first we need as dollar, then count, then loop, then mid. So for 5 we can say, so we need 5 columns. Let's go for it. Okay, first is as dollar. What is the value of as dollar? If we give here like hello, how are you. So if we give this string, then for line we can say, and it passes to as dollar. Now count, what is the value of count? Let's put it here. Count, it is 1, yes or no. Count is 1. Next variable is the loop. I equals to 1 to len. I equals to 1 to len, that is as dollar. So what is value of this one? Len. If we give hello, how are you, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 16 17. Yes, it becomes 17 there. Yes, so actually len is 17, so just put 17 here. Okay, I is 1 here first. Now next is the if condition, that is mid dollar there, mid dollar, then as dollar, then I, then 1 equals to this one. Condition matching or not? If it is matching, then what happens? The value increases of the count, yes or no. So let's go for it. After that, what is count equals to count plus 1. Let's put it here. Okay, now first is there, we have to check the this is space here, whether the string contains this white space or not. Hello, when we give hello how are you, then what happens? SELLO, so there is no space, so nothing is just going to happen there. After that, there is a space there when I equals to 1, so condition not being true, yes or no. So here we can say no. How many times no? 1 2 3 4 5, no, up to 5 times we can say here, yes or no. Now next time what happens when the value of I it is 6 again, so it is yes. So when it is yes, then what happens? Count it becomes 2, that is count equals to count plus 1, yes or no. So after the 7 8 9 again, when I is 7 8 9, so it is not going to be true, no, we can say. After that, what happens when I it becomes 10 again, yes. So yes means count it becomes 3, yes or no. After that, what happens? ARE 11 12 13, I equals to 11, then 12, then 13, so no, yes. After that, what happens? I becomes 14 means yes already, so there is white space, it means count it becomes 4. And after that, what happens? Again for next value there is no, so I equals to 15 16 17 18, we can say 3 2 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17, yes. Let's count here. So this is 5 and 6, when it is 6 there is a space, 7 8 9, no space, 10 there is space, 11 12 13, no space, 14 there is space, yes. 15 16 17, no space there, so 15 16 17, no. So what is the last value of count? Output is, what is value of count? CUNT, count equals to 4, yes or no. So this is the output of our program, and that we have got it here. So this is how we can make a table. This is called dry run, and we can see actually how the function or how the program is executing and giving us output. Now let's go for the next program. I hope you have solved this one. If you have any question, then let me know. Now next program we are going to take, I'm going to take here, I have collection of programs here. I'm going to take one more program here. Let's take one more program here. Let's go for the reversing a string. Okay, so we input a string and thus we'll reverse that. So going to save it first. Let's create a new file here. Let's save it. 3-4 program 5 with dry run. Okay, let's save it. Let's start writing the program. So this program is about that reversing a string and how this reversing works. Let's see step by step. Let's start writing. Declare, give the function name here, function reverse dollar. Since it is going to return a string, so we have to put this dollar sign here as dollar here, cls. Let's give an input here, enter the string, as dollar. Then let's call the function here. The reverse of a string is reverse. What is the name of variable here? As dollar here. Next is a int. Now let's go for the function here. So function reverse dollar, so it is going to supply as dollar. Let's put as dollar here in the function. Okay, now what we need there? Reverse, just we need to extract last character. We have to put in first position, then second to the second position, and so on. Let's go for it. And for that, what we need there? We need to go for the loop, and loop is just to execute from the last part to first part. For I equals to 1, last means length, we have to find the length as dollar, to 1 step minus 1. Yes, next I. Okay, now what we need to extract the characters. Let's put the characters here. R dollar equals to R dollar plus we need mid function dollar. So what is the name of this string? As dollar. So as dollar here, as dollar. Then from which position? I we have to put here. How many characters we have to extract? 1, only 1 there, 1. So that's all, nothing more we have to do there. So it goes in there. After that, what we need there? Our reverse value. It is going to be stored in this R dollar, and at last we have to show this value to this function name. Yes or no? Let's put here reverse dollar equals to R dollar. Okay, everything fine there. Okay, let's save it and let's run it. So here is a spelling mistake, so it is being highlighted. Declare. Okay, let's run it. So taking full screen view, let's give here one value here, program, enter. So look here, Reverse of string is program. M is in the beginning, then A, then R, then G, then O, then R, then P. Reverse or not? Reverse, yes. Yes. Okay. So this is how we can go for it. Now let's go for its dry run. It becomes clear to understand how it works. Question 4. Now question 5. How many variables are there? First as dollar is there, then loop I equals to len to 1, next variable is I to len, and next variable is r dollar. So that was it, means we need only 3 columns. Let's make. First is a as dollar here. As dollar, what we are what we are assuming here, as dollar is here program. Yes. Now next part is a loop. So for I equals to 1, sorry, len as dollar to 1 step minus 1. Yes or no? Okay, so this is the case. Next is the r dollar equals to r dollar plus mid dollar as dollar I then 1. So this much we have to do. Okay, let's go for the first iteration. First iteration means when the loop runs first time. So what is the value of length? Length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes or no? 6 7. So first I is there 7. Yes or no? I is 7, length is 7 7. Now what is value of r dollar here? R dollar equals to, so r dollar initial value, it becomes 0 there. Yes or no? So what is the value of mid? Mid, it gives us as dollar is program. I is 7. 7 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. M means it becomes M. Yes, so that's all. Next time I, it becomes 6. Now what is value of r dollar again? R dollar equals to, previously it was M. Yes or no? M plus, and now it extract the what? A. So it becomes MA. Now next times I becomes 6, then 5. R dollar equals to, previously it was MA. Yes, now it becomes mid dollar. What is value of mid dollar here? 5. 5 means 1 2 3 4 5 R. 1 2 3 4 5 R. So it extract R there, so it becomes MAR. Yes. Next time what is value of I? That is 6. Now what is the value of r dollar? Equals to, r dollar equals to, previously it was MAR. Now it becomes 4. It becomes 4 here. 4 means 1 2 3 4 G. So it extract G here. Mid function, it gets G. So we get here MARG. Now in next iteration I becomes 3. R dollar, it becomes what was previous value, marg mark, then plus a mid function, it gives us third means 1 2 3 o, so it gives us o, so it becomes now marzo. Okay, now next time I becomes 2, so r dollar equals to what's equal to r, again r, let's go for it. So marzo plus r, so it gives us marzo r. So what is the last value of I? 1. Now we get here r dollar equals to margor plus p, so it gives us margor p. So that's all. After that, actually condition becomes false, it exists there. After that, what happens, what is value of r dollar? Margo rp, and it is stored which variable? Reverse, yes or no? And it is called from the main module. So what is the output? Output is here margor and p. So this is the output, we just got it. Okay, program, look here, margrp, yes. Okay, so this is how we can write the dry run, and nothing more. Just we need to keep in mind that how many variables are there and what is the value of that variable it is being in the program, that much only. And to visualize that, we need to make this table, and we can see step by step the execution style of that program. I hope all you are sure of this one. If you have any confusion, use the chat box of the YouTube or the TikTok. Thank you. Now let's go for the next program here. So what program to see here? Let's take one program here. Okay, let's go about the next program. I just got it here. Declare function I'm giving the name of function only digits. Okay, let's take a variable. Let's input here. Let's call the function here. Let's go about the function here. Function procedure here. Now what we need here, we have to know character by character whether that is a digit or not. Yes, for that we have to go for the loop. Let's run the loop now. For I equals to 1 to len. Okay, now let's take a character, extract one by one character here. So I'm taking $r here equals to mid function to extract the character for which variable as dollar, from which position I, how many characters, 1, yes or no, yes. After that we have to go for if $r is more than equals to 0 and $r less than equals to 9. Yes, then what we need to do there, we have to go for the concatenation of the all the digits. So let's go for the variable digits dollar equals to digits dollar plus $r. Yes or no, yes. And if next is the next I, so that much. After that in this variable our output is stored. This is digit dollar, so this digit dollar we have to supply to the function name, procedure name, only digits there. Let's do that task. Only digits dollar equals to digits dollar, that much. Okay, let's save it. 4 5 program 6 with dry run. Let's run it. If any bug comes, we'll see that. Let's give a string. Let's do full screen here. We are in grade 10. Okay, enter. So the D's in that string is 10. Is it there? Yes. Yes. This is how we can get the output. Nothing more we have to do there. Let's go for the now dry run. Okay. Question 6. Dry run table. Let's get the title. It would be better here. How many variables are there? So that much rows and columns we have to make. The first variable is as dollar. So first column for this one, second for this one, third for this one, fourth for this one, fifth for this one. Yes or no? So 5 columns we need to draw here. Okay, first is as dollar here. Next is here I equals to 1 to len. As dollar. Next is here r dollar. So r dollar, it gets the value from here. Let's copy and paste this part here. Okay. Yes. Next is if. Yes. Okay, this much. And if the condition is true, then what happens? We have to write true. If it is false, then we have to write false here. Then we need now next variable digits dollar. Yes or no? It goes here. Let's start from first column here as dollar. So what we have input here, that is grade 12. Let's go for that. Suppose grade 12 we have input there. So it goes here 1 2. How many characters are there? 3 2 5 6 7 8. Yes, 8 characters. So I is first one. Now what is r dollar? R dollar is mid. Then as dollar I1, as dollar is grade 12, then it is obviously G. Yes or no? It is G. The condition true or not? So no, means condition is being false. So there will be no change in digit. Yes or no? Next time it becomes I equals to, let's put this part here, it would be better. Okay. Next time it becomes I equals to 2 r dollar. It becomes r, again condition being false, no. Next time it becomes I equals to 3. So if the condition is being false, so digit dollar, it is stores nothing there, it is totally empty, we can say 0 there. Next time I equals to 3, a, so no again. I equals to 4, r dollar, r dollar is 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, d, again no. Next time I is 5, 3, 4, 5, so r dollar is, sorry, e, so again no. Next time I is 6, so r dollar, white space, yes or no, so space we can say, again no, because condition being false there. I, now it becomes 7, so in 7, 3, 2, 5, 6, 1, yes, so r dollar equals to 1, so it is yes. When it becomes yes, then what it does there, we have digits, yes, digits dollar, so it stores what, 1, yes or no. Next time I becomes 8, so r dollar it becomes 2, again condition is yes, so it becomes now equals to old value is, what is old value, 1, plus what is the new value given by the mid, what is the new value given by mid, 2, yes or no, so 2, so it becomes now 1, 2, yes. So that's all. Next time what happens, the condition becomes false because loop further do not go. At last we get here what, at last we get here digits dollar, 1, 2, so this is stored in now only digits, we can see here. So this is what is the value of, equals to, what is value of digits, 1, 2, and this is the output, so output equals to 1, 2, yes. So that's all. We can also write here this part here, so that's all. So this is how we make the dry run table for the given program, and clearly we can see actually how this program works and how the value changes and how the condition is tested. Any questions here? Okay. So no questions here. Okay, so this was about the simple program, and tomorrow again we'll see how to write some programs using swap procedure and the function procedure step by step. Okay, thank you for joining me, and tomorrow again we'll see this type of programs. So don't forget to join me tomorrow, same time 3 o'clock, and same channel Tech 7, same man, I am here. And so if you like the video, just share with your friends, and if it was helpful for you, then just share with your friends. If you have any question to discuss with me, let me know. If you have any doubt, let me know. Okay, thank you.